Tennessee congressman wants to see more trees around state highways. Representative Mark Green is not typically known for environmental work, but he had the idea of a private effort to beautify barren land around highways. New at 5, State Capitol reporter Chris Bungard spoke with the lawmaker and those involved with the project.
Tennessee interchanges typically don't have too many trees around them, but a congressman hopes to change that.
I'm here as a Tennessean today, not as a United States congressman.
Clarksville, Tennessee Congressman Mark Green wants to reforest land near state highway interchanges. He can't be directly part of the project because of House ethics rules, but his idea is being carried forward by a group with the congressman's last name, Green Interchange.
And so why not take that unused land and do something with it? The greatest vacuum cleaner for CO2 on the planet, despite our amazing technology, is still a tree.
Beautifying barren entrance and exit ramps is also a big part of it. The Green Exchange is being run by a guy who, along with volunteers, says he has already planted 700,000 trees around Tennessee.
And one of the things that I know they worked on very hard was making sure that everybody understood how we could get this green infrastructure into the designs of these roads.
The Tennessee Department of Transportation says it's had other programs to reforest along state highway property and is happy to work with this private effort.
We do have a pretty large footprint out there, and there are opportunities away from the traffic lanes.
The first tree project is scheduled for a Spring Hill, Tennessee interchange later this year. Reporting from Nashville, Chris Bungard.
Now, the Green Interchange that Chris was talking about will plant one tree around interchanges for $6 each donated to that project.